What's up, YouTube? It's Barry Fishman. And today I want to talk about doing home labs and how home labs can help you get clicks or calls or contacted by recruiters just by putting it on your resume. You know, a big thing about these jobs, they're looking for people with experience. So a lot of these programs, you could go on YouTube or websites and pretty much get hands-on training, you know what I mean, before you even get there. So you could do a training for Active Directory, Cloud, SCCM, doing basic printer troubleshooting. A lot of this stuff you actually do in your day-to-day job where you're at right now. And when you get into these interviews, you can talk about the technical things that you're doing in the job you're at right now. You know, you get that question in an interview like, hey, can you name a time when you did this and such, and you can say from your own job that you're doing that. You know, I think that's the beauty in it all. Like, it's not like it used to be where you really need a bachelor's degree to prove that you've done something. If you can tell somebody step by step in an interview what you have done, what it does, what it's used for, more than likely you can prove that you've done it, you know. Now, of course, there's, you know, different levels of different positions, of course. So, you know, the position you might be trying to get might not require you to already have or be an expert in that field already. So you just need to prove that you know what's going on and you're able to learn more and do more research and have a basic foundation and build upon that. There's probably other qualities and skills you already have that complement that position that they don't have to worry about. So if you fulfill, you know, 4 out of the 6 out of the 8 things that they want, and the others are, you know, home labs or, you know, the basics, you could probably get the job, you know. So I would say start doing more home labs. If you want to build a computer, build a computer. Buy a PC. I recommend just buying a PC, a nice PC or gaming PC. That way you can have enough storage and it's going to operate to the best of its ability, you know, and you'll be able to do these home labs with no problem. And with that being said, Barry Fisherman, I'm out.